101,3 Star FM Inspiring Sound. Selamat sore Star Lovers, Rizky Arif balik lagi. Dan kali ini saya kedatangan tamu spesial yang mana jauh-jauh dari Australia yang bakal ngobrol bareng sama saya di sore hari ini. Dan kita bakal ngomongin soal film nih Star Lovers, seperti apa dan nanti prosesnya nanti seperti apa. Saya mau perkenalkan dulu narasumber kita di sore hari ini. Ada Mr. Steve Jaggi, the producer dari Love is in the Air. Is it right, Mister?
That's right.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm good. Okay.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, Mr. Steve, hari ini kan nanti dibantu sama Mbak siapa ngapunten? Vila. Mbak Wilda ya nanti ya sebagai penerjemah nanti. Jadi hari ini kan kedatangan dari Mr. Steve Jaggi ini adalah untuk dalam rangka masterclass membuat film di era streaming ya, benar ya? Apakah itu hari ini benar ini tujuannya datang ke Indonesia? Mungkin boleh diceritakan?
Is it true that your visit to Indonesia, part of your visit to Indonesia is to share knowledge on how to make films in the streaming era?
Absolutely. I'm very privileged to be visiting Indonesia as part of the FSAI Film Festival to both promote Australian films to Indonesian audiences. And I have the opportunity while I'm over here to be speaking at a number of universities, giving a masterclass to film students and Indonesian film practitioners on making films for the streaming area, for streaming platforms.
Nah, untuk di film Love is in the Air ini mungkin boleh diceritakan sedikit prosesnya seperti apa dalam pembuatan film ini secara singkat saja, Mr. Steve.
Could you please briefly say the process of filmmaking for Love is in the Air?
Of course. Love is in the Air is a film that we made for Netflix that's here as part of the festival. It was a real treat to make that film. We shot it up in Australia, in the state of Queensland, on the Great Barrier Reef, and it's about a young woman who flies a seaplane. It's a rom-com, so we were very fortunate to be filming the seaplane. We had other helicopters up, using helicopters to film seaplanes. We were filming on the Great Barrier Reef. We were filming in one of the most beautiful spots in the world, and we were also filming on giant screen cameras, which was a big technical challenge as well. So it was a big film to make for a big international audience, but we were blessed to be able to do it.
Tantangan terbesar ini memang luar biasa, banyak tantangan yang tentunya juga nggak gampang gitu ya dilakukan untuk film ini ya. Nah, mungkin bisa dijelaskan juga nih Mr. Steve, bagaimana untuk keadaan di Jogja, di Indonesia, filmmaker di Indonesia, mungkin dari pandangan seorang Steve Jaggi memandang film di Indonesia itu seperti apa?
So Steve, how do you see the potential on filmmaker in Indonesia, especially in Yogyakarta?
Well, actually, I love it here. I think the scenery is so beautiful. I think the culture is really amazing. I'd love to make a movie here myself. I think this Indonesia has some of the most beautiful locations on earth, and certainly for the kind of films that I make, adventure movies, romantic comedies, action movies, this is a great country to be in. I think there's a lot of talent here with young filmmakers. Certainly the filmmakers at the masterclass I just gave at the university here, very passionate, very skilled, and I think that there's a lot of opportunity ahead for them. And I think also international audiences now more than ever are open to watching Indonesian content, which is really exciting.
Oh ya, mungkin ada tambah sedikit ya. Maybe any chance to make film in Indonesia dari Steve?
Absolutely, I'd love to come back here. I love this area. I love the country, but I particularly love this area. I love the culture here. I love the art scene here. We were just talking at lunch about how beautiful it is, the temples and also the volcano. What a fantastic backdrop. I'd love to make a romantic comedy here.
Wow, luar biasa. Dan terakhir, apa yang mau disampaikan dari Steve Jaggi untuk filmmaker di Indonesia atau juga buat Star Lovers yang khususnya yang mencintai dunia film?
Do you have any words for the filmmakers in Indonesia and especially for the audience of this Star Radio?
I think that you live in one of the most beautiful places in the world, and don't be afraid to be yourself, believe in yourself, and keep making art, because people overseas want to see your stories.
Wow, luar biasa motivasinya ya. Buat semangat buat para filmmaker di Indonesia, mudah-mudahan bisa berkarya lebih bagus. Thank you so much Steve Jaggi for being here and sudah menyampaikan informasi dan juga motivasi buat para filmmaker di Indonesia ya. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Oke.
It's been a pleasure.
Oke. Thank you buat Star Lovers yang di sore hari ini sudah mendengarkan dan juga menyimak obrolan singkat saya dengan Steve Jaggi yang merupakan produser dari Love Is in the Air dan juga sudah berbagi sedikit tips ya gimana caranya untuk membuat film di era streaming. Terima kasih, sampai ketemu lagi di lain kesempatan. Semoga enjoy the moment from here di Yogyakarta.
Thank you.
Selamat sore.